my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now, have you actually tried coconut milk plus Vaseline on your face to know how it's going to like magically transform your face? Now let me show you, because I have other natural homemade remedy or ingredients that I'm going to be mixing it up, and it's going to give us a superb result. Now the result is that it's going to reverse all of those age related problems. Now if you are not looking age, you have to also use this so that you can prevent, okay, because they say prevention is actually better than cure. So use this to prevent signs of aging, because in these days stress make you age, smoking make you age, not sleeping on time make you age, not drinking too much of not drinking water make you age. So if you're not doing all of those things and you expect that, oh, I'm not gonna age, you're lying, girl, you're lying, nigga, because you are gonna be looking really aged. So use this and let's dive into the video. Let me show you all of that, but don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. So we're gonna be making use of coconut. Now, coconut has high level of vitamin C, which helps maintain elasticity and flexibility of the skin. It also rich in copper and prevents wrinkles, saggy skin and age spots. Mixing coconut oil with other natural oil would help your skin glow overnight, and it helps to peel the dead skin cells. And then we're going to be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now, Fuller's Earth clay powder is a versatile clay powder that helps to suck out excessive oil on the skin. It helps to leave the skin rejuvenated, and it also makes the skin really glowing, because it helps to clog it helps to open up a large and open pores, and it also helps to rejuvenate and glow up the skin. And then we're going to be making use of Vaseline. Now Vaseline helps to retain moisture onto the skin. It helps to make the skin glowing, and it's also an oil that helps to make the skin look really supple. Then also we're going to be making use of lemon. Now this is lemon, though it is green because our lemons are usually green. Now lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps to lighten up the skin. It also helps to glow the skin, makes the skin evenly toned, and it's also a great and natural remedy that removes wrinkles and fine lines. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking some of the coconut, and then let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to cut this coconut into pieces. So now we're just going to be putting the coconuts into a blender, and then we're going to be adding up a little bit of water to enable this blend, because we'll be needing the coconut juice. So I'm going to go blend this and I'll be right back. So here's the coconuts properly blended, and now would have to extract just the coconut juice. So that's what we're going to be using, the coconut milk. We're basically going to be needing to use just the coconut milk. And this is the coconut milk that we will be needing. So I'm going to be taking about 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, and that is Perfect. Also be needing 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder. I'll be cutting in the lemon. Then I'll be squeezing in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a little pinch of Vaseline, but I will be dissolving this Vaseline first before putting it in here. Alright, so here is the petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. I've been able to dissolve it, and this is how it is. So now we'll have to be pouring it into this mix, and then we'll be mixing everything all up. Now you would have to dissolve your Vaseline, okay, so that it's not going to be difficult mixing. You'll have to take a little time to mix this and mix it really well. And now for this remedy, guys, you can actually use it like 4 to 5 times in a week. Okay, if you're actually experiencing dullness and dryness and your face is actually looking old, you can use this and it's just gonna help you so much. Okay guys, so here is the anti-aging remedy. It's good for young and old. It's actually basically not for just you that has wrinkles. It's also for prevention, because you know nowadays wrinkles does not come on the face only for age. Stress, mental stress too, you know, can make you begin to experience wrinkles and fine lines, and it also would help for a rough skin. So I'm gonna be using a brush, okay, and then we're gonna be applying this onto our face. And trust me guys, I love the smell of Fuller's Earth clay powder because it smells really nice. Like, I don't know if you've used Fuller's Earth clay powder before, you should know how it smells. It smells so nice. So what you do is that you would have to apply this onto your face generously. Okay. You can apply it also close to your under eye because the ingredient is mild enough. And yeah, the thing is that you do not actually necessarily need to refrigerate this particular remedy, because when you refrigerate it, the Vaseline is going to be congealed, it's going to be strong, so you're not going to, it's not going to be free enough for you to apply it on your face. Okay, so you have to, when you're done mixing, then you can just apply.
And it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's actually very smooth. Do you like the smell?
It's okay.
I love the smell of Fuller's Earth personally, although people differs. Personally, I love the smell.
Oh, this is my first time of using Fuller's Earth on my skin.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Maybe later I will know.
Yeah, you're gonna love it. It's actually gonna tighten up your pores, tighten up your skin really well.
Oh, you look at
It's actually spread evenly on your face, pardon my face.
Let me help
I'm
you.
sure
You don't know how to apply it.
No, I'm sure it's because of the brush. The brush that you're using, that's what is
Oh,
making
yes, yes.
It's the brush.
Learn.
So you have to apply it generously. Okay, a generous amount is going to be very helpful. Because when it dries, you know, it's going to hold your skin really, really tight.
Sorry.
Okay, you want to poke my eyes. Okay, so after doing that, then you'll have to hold on for some while. For this particular ingredient, you do not actually need to like scrub it. Not necessarily. You don't need to scrub it. You just need to hold on for a while, and then it dries up. And then when it dries, then you can go wash it off. Now you can actually repeat this ingredient remedy on your face for like 3 to 4 times in a week, and you're gonna be loving it. Okay, so it's going to begin to dry, and then you're going to feel the impact of it like so well.
So well.
And I'm loving the smell too. So basically that's it, guys. You use coconut milk like I did. I processed my coconut milk myself from coconut itself, but you can buy the the canned coconut milk, or you can process yours yourself just like I did, and it's gonna be working really well. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.